Learn, Earn, and Prosper students join a Zoom session.
I currently live in Burlington, Vermont, but I happen to grow up in Washington, D.C.
I live in New Haven, Connecticut.
I am a born and raised New Yorker living in Jersey right now.
I'm from Traverse City.
I'm Lily and I'm from Connecticut.
Awesome. Glad you're here.
LEAP logo in Braille. LEAP logo. Hannah Peach, LEAP Virtual Program Developer.
LEAP stands for Learn, Earn, and Prosper, and our virtual program is an online paid work-based learning program and work readiness program for pre-employment transition services for blind and visually impaired youth aged 14 to 24.
Stephanie Bissonette, Director of Children's Services, Vermont Association of the Blind and Visually Impaired.
The LEAP program is fantastic because what has been lacking over the decades is real work experience. They get to go to a job, learn a skill, get paid for it, be able to add this to their resume, decide if they like this or they don't, and then the next year they can try something different.
All the positions for the students are paid. This is really important. It gives us leverage with the students, and it's also just a great way for students to start getting a taste of what it means to be working.
Charlotte Koppenhaver, Vocational Rehab Counselor, State of Connecticut.
I don't have any other programs that have virtual work-based learning, and they do such a good job with getting the students together and making it fun for them with a whole group of students from all over the country. It adds to their confidence level and it makes them feel like they're not the only ones.
A lesson plan on creating video.
I was recruited for LEAP when I was younger. I've been visually impaired my whole life. I have retinal dystrophy. I was 14. It was just not something I wanted to do. I didn't want to be away from home for that long. And I think if at 14 I had had the option to go online and start learning those skills, I would have been a lot more open to doing it, to meeting the new people and gaining those new experiences.
Something I'm most excited for is to meet new people and develop some new leadership roles.
Nice, good one.
My name is Trevor Kolbuz, and I'm from the northwest corner of Connecticut, and I've been working with LEAP since early 2020. So I was an intern for an engineer. So I definitely think building confidence with the LEAP program has helped. I can talk on Zoom meetings and get to know more people without being as nervous. That's really helped me a lot. Just over the years, I've gotten to build my interviewing skills or communication skills. One of the strengths of the LEAP program is definitely making everyone feel at home and helping them build great relationships along with skills that they can use in life. It helps people get more comfortable with real world situations.
The voice of a LEAP instructor.
Welcome back, everyone. It's nice to be with all of you after the long holiday break.
Today's class is about strategies and apps to use when grocery shopping.
The virtual program also offers an opportunity for the students to get to know other students with visual impairments, and that is very powerful. To meet somebody like you, the students that are working, whether or not it's virtual or not, always have access to adults with visual impairments who are successful.
Hello, I'm Dan Norris. I'm the Director of Adult Services at the Vermont Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired, and just like the panelists, I'm visually impaired myself. I have Stargardt's.
Sometimes some of the guest speakers will be older who have done similar work, and sometimes you might be going into a career that they had been through already, so that's nice, and you can learn a lot, and it's very welcoming.
I've got to say most, and I mean 99% of the students' experiences have been great. From where I stand as a teacher of the visually impaired, I've been at the point where parents are at a meeting in tears because their child has been recently diagnosed with a visual impairment, so they can't see the light at the end of the tunnel.
It's really a first step in a student's journey to independence. I've been very happy with the LEAP program, and I hope it continues in the way it's going, because I'll continue to refer lots of people.
I love seeing our students be successful. It's so powerful to see a student who starts out shy and unsure of themselves taking on leadership positions. They become so confident in themselves, and they speak so much more openly with everyone. So it's a really powerful experience.
Learn, Earn, and Prosper is a program of ReSOURCE, which provides pre-employment transition services to blind or visually impaired youth and young adults. LEAP provides these services to vocational rehabilitation agencies across the country. These partners include Vermont, Connecticut, Minnesota, Michigan, Massachusetts, New York, Maine, New Hampshire, Rhode Island, Iowa, and more, growing every year.